In-depth look at the best certified pre-owned car deals for May 2024. In today's automotive market, the allure of certified pre-owned (CPO) vehicles is stronger than ever, offering savvy shoppers the opportunity to drive a nearly new car with the added security of a manufacturer's warranty at a fraction of the cost of a new model. This May 2024, several automakers are rolling out attractive CPO deals characterized by exceptionally low-interest financing incentives that significantly underbid the national average for used car loans. Detailed overview of May 2024 CPO financing offers. Mercedes-Benz leads the pack with a standout offer of 2.99% financing for up to 36 months on selected models such as the C-Class, E-Class, and GLC. This rate is particularly enticing, considering the upscale market segment and the premium features these models boast. Mazda presents an appealing 3.9% financing option for up to 36 months on its CPO CX-90 models. This offer targets consumers looking for a reliable, family-friendly SUV with advanced safety features and an economical price tag. BMW spices up the CPO market with 4.99% financing for up to 36 months on all its 2019 to 2022 models, supplemented by deferred payments for the first 90 days in most states. This is enhanced further with monetary incentives, including $500 cashback on select 7 Series and 8 Series models and a $1,000 credit on 5 Series models. Exploring the benefits of CPO vehicles. CPO vehicles strike an optimal balance between the reliability of a new car and the affordability of a used car. To qualify as CPO, vehicles must meet stringent criteria set by manufacturers, including age limits and maximum mileage. They undergo rigorous inspections to ensure mechanical soundness and top condition. Added to these are long-term warranties that often extend the initial coverage by several years, covering major components and systems. The rationale behind opting for CPO. The choice of a CPO vehicle is driven by more than just economic considerations. It's about peace of mind. CPO programs usually include comprehensive vehicle inspections, free maintenance services, a detailed history report, and additional roadside assistance. These benefits make CPO vehicles particularly attractive to those who might otherwise be concerned about the reliability and hidden costs associated with used cars. What's being offered this month? For the luxury enthusiast, Audi and Lexus are offering financing rates as low as 5.99% for periods up to 60 and 72 months respectively, covering various models from sophisticated sedans to dynamic SUVs. For families and utility seekers, Toyota is providing attractive financing options starting at 5.49% on a wide range of models, including the Highlander and various RAV4 configurations, ideal for those needing space, safety, and reliability. For adventurers and performance aficionados, Land Rover and Jaguar both tout 4.99% financing up to 60 months on selected models, perfect for those looking for a mix of luxury, performance, and off-road capability. How to make the most of these deals? To fully capitalize on these offers, prospective buyers should research. Dig into each automaker's CPO program to understand the specifics of the warranty and additional benefits. Test drive. Nothing can substitute for a personal test drive to see how the car handles and meets your needs. Compare financing. Don't just jump at the first low rate. Compare it with other financing offers and check how much you'll actually be paying over the life of the loan. Negotiate. Even CPO cars can come with some wiggle room in price. Don't be afraid to negotiate based on research of similar models in your area. By considering these steps, buyers can navigate the CPO landscape with confidence, ensuring they secure a vehicle that is not only economically savvy, but also a joy to drive. Whether you are drawn to luxury sedans, rugged SUVs, or eco-friendly hybrids, the current CPO market has a plethora of options to satisfy.